In this video I explain what value theories are and how they help us understand norms. We look at how values influence our behavior and how norms play a role in society. Values are ideas about what is good or bad. They influence how we act and what we consider important. Values can change over the course of life, but they are often deeply rooted in us. They help us make decisions and interact with other people. Norms are rules or expectations that define how people in a society should behave. They arise from the values of a culture and ensure that coexistence works. Norms can be both written and unwritten. They are often so self-evident that we hardly question them. Values are general ideas, while norms are concrete guidelines for action. Values tell us what we consider right or wrong. Norms tell us how we should behave. While values are often personal and subjective, norms are established in a group or society. Both influence our daily lives and our behavior. Values influence which norms are important in a society. For example, in a society that values honesty highly, the norm may emerge that lying is bad. If values in a society change, the norms also change. Values and norms work together to guide people's behavior. A well-known norm is shaking hands at a first meeting. This norm is considered respectful and polite in many societies. However, it is not the same in all cultures and can differ depending on the country or region. The handshake shows how norms can vary depending on context. Sometimes norms change because the values of a society change. One example is the attitude toward equality. In the past, it was the norm in many countries that women had fewer rights than men, but with the change in values, the norm also changed. This change can take a long period of time. Laws are formalized norms enforced by the government. They are written down and regulate people's behavior in society. Laws protect the values that a society considers important. They ensure that certain norms are observed, for example, the prohibition of theft. In different cultures there are different norms, even if the underlying values may be similar. What is considered polite in one culture can be impolite in another. These differences arise from different historical and social developments. Norms are therefore not universal, but always shaped by culture. The norms that apply in a society are often shaped by social groups. Family, friends, or co-workers can strongly influence which norms are important. These groups ensure that their members follow the societal norms. This often happens through social control and peer pressure.